Hey guys, so we just came back from our workout and Jalen just finished swimming with his uncles and we're gonna make our Vi shakes. I'm gonna make mine first. Jalen's in the shower right now. We're gonna use the Magic Bullet, not mullet, but Magic Bullet, okay? For all those, peeps that were making fun of my previous post. Again, my favorite, the spinach, celery, cucumbers, and cilantro. Yummy, yummy, yum. So we're going to start off water. Cup of water. That's about good size. Okay, 1 scoop. Cucumbers. Cilantro. I look so grungy. Just came from the gym, all sweaty, but I washed my hands. It's all good. I'm gonna have my nice shower afterwards. Calories. Hey guys, get out of the screen, man. You're like in your towel there. Get some clothes on, bud. I'm gonna make your milkshake. Hurry up, go. You're gonna go make your banana shake. Go get ready. Hurry up, so you can come here and join me. Alright, a little bit more spinach. Okay. So nervous. I'm always nervous when I'm live because I gotta make sure I don't make any more silly errors. Got lots of critics here that watch me. Alright. Yeah, you're gonna do your taping afterwards. This is mine. Okay, I gotta make this quick. Okay, so here's the Vi pack. Okay, I never got to tell you guys how to work this. This is the day pack. It's a yellow package. Evening pack. Okay.
Okay.
Lots of vitamins inside it. Let's see if I. All right.
What you say?
Let's see. So it has multi-mineral and vitamins, anti-aging and energy, omega vitals, and supercharged antioxidants. That's what's making us look, hot and keeping our youth full faces. All right, so right now I'm going to take this one. This is the day one. This is how we do it.
Take to mommy.
Take the vitamins.
To mommy. To mommy.
I shake. Oh my gosh, so good. And that's it. That is total it. And now Jalen's gonna make his video. All right, Jalen.
I will do all by myself.
Okay. Get your chair. Should we like cut it or what? Okay. All right, Dan, that's yours. So what are you gonna tell everybody?
Welcome to Mama Service. My name is Jalen. I'm making my analysis.
Aw, good work. Okay, let's get your face off there. Okay, what do we need, Jalen?
Banana.
Right.
What's with that?
Here it is.
Mommy, with that?
It's a really ripe banana. Okay, just put it in.
No.
Just like 1 or 2. No, don't use a banana. It's disgusting. Okay, we can't have a banana because we didn't buy bananas, baby. Can we make something else? That smells kind of funky. Let's not make a banana shake. Let's make, what do we have here? We can make blueberry. Blueberry shake? Yeah? All right.
I don't like blueberry.
Strawberry? Or chocolate?
Chocolate.
Chocolate? All right. This. Yeah? Okay, let's get our water going. Let's pull it together. That's good. Okay. Good work. Good work. Man, I love you, Jalen. You love Mommy? That's good. You only need, what, you want a full scoop?
Yeah.
Okay, we're going to give Jalen a full scoop. You do it. You want to do it? Oh, great. Did you just put your nose inside?
Yeah.
Oh, yeah. Okay. Is that all we need?
Yeah.
All right. Okay. Can you put some spinach inside this time?
No.
Okay. Not this time?
No.
All right. Okay, here we go. Oh, we forgot to turn it on. Safety first. Wait for Mommy. Okay. Go for it, bud. Gonna pull up the plug. Green or yellow?
Green.
All right. I'll get you a straw. Okay.
I want green straw.
Okay, a green straw. All right. Your lucky day. She's got a green straw.
Yay!
Okay. Let's taste this. What do you think?
Good.
Mmm, that's really good. Tell everybody how good it is.
It's good.
Okay, and that's our day. Ah, that's our day.
Let's get another straw.
What is it?
Another straw.
Another straw? Okay. Here. For who? Who's that for? Oh, you're sure? Ninong, Ninong. Jalen wants to share with you. Come to screen. He's gonna come to you. Okay. Well, he's coming to you now.
This is your show. And cut.
Oh, that was mean. Okay, come on, Ninong. Jalen wants to share with you. Because Jalen loves to share.
Delicious.
Good work, bud. High five. All right. Say bye, body. Bye-bye.
Bye, bye.